Hello, I'm Maitrighosha. I'm the manager of the Valencia Buddhist Center. I'm also the Mitra convener, and I'm very involved in the Buddhist Council and the ordination process for men. Well, the vision is really inspired by the precious Guru Padmasambhava, and Udiyana, you might know, is kind of the pure land of Padmasambhava. If not the pure land, the kind of Buddha land of Padmasambhava. For Tibetan people, is recognized as the second Buddha, and is a very important figure for Triratna. And we wanted to take inspiration from him, because in a way we are not starting from zero this Sangha. We are rebuilding our Sangha, having our venue, our own venue, thanks to the loan of Uyghur's Trust. And the mission or and the vision we have is that we want to have a center that can hold hybrid activities. After the pandemic, or the pandemic with COVID-19, we have seen a real interest in online activities. So we really want to continue with this. So we're thinking to accommodate our rooms, our activities, so we can give access to people who are far away from Valencia, so they can benefit from our activities. And for this reason, we are doing this fundraising, which is being named as Project Udiyana. I hope that you can help us and be as generous as you can be. Thank you.